Hi everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, gawa natin ito reaction video. Actually, kakatapos ko lang ng Beanie dito compilation, but for today's video, Beanie and their amazing raw vocals naman tayo for today's video. So without further ado, let's all watch this. So ano to? Ano tong may offer ng Beanie dito sa atin for today's video? Let's check it out. Beanie and their amazing raw vocals by Beanie Walo. Taas nito. Taas nito. Sobra. Headtone kong headtone. Grabe, ang taas nito.
Maria.
Taas. Taas. Oh, headtone, dear. Headtone yun. Headtone yun, gagigs. Okay. Grabe yun, headtone yun. Wow, the clarity. Wow, the clarity.
Don't wanna be all by myself anymore.
Headtone. Not that polished, but she sustained. Never na-crack.
And I know we weren't perfect, but I never felt this way for no one. And I just can't imagine how you could be so okay now that I'm gone. 'Cause you didn't mean what you wrote in the song about me. 'Cause you said forever, now I drive along past your street. 'Cause you said forever, now I drive along past your street. Yeah!
Ay, walang soft tone. Nintay ko yung soft tone ni Aya. Let's start siya sa mataas na boses. Mataas yung notes yung in-start niya. Start siya dun sa mataas ang boses niya. Kaya, medyo, iba ang tunog. Okay. Mula yun hanggang. I love that. Oh, I love this song. I love that. Oh, the placement! We cannot deny the fact na isa siya sa magaling na boses talaga sa Beanie. We cannot deny that. Seriously. May full version ito. Okay. Ito naman, kalmado siya. Kalmado na naman yung boses siya dito for today's video. Oh, tsaka ang soft tone yun, napaka-juicy. Oh, yes. Tapos na yun?
Hello diría que se podía hacer el amor por telepatía. La luna está llena, mi cama vacía, ¿qué tú harías? Si te tuviera de frente,
Spanish!
te la volaría.
Oh my God, ang sexy ng boses ni Maloy.
De día, de noche, de día, you know I'm so far away.
Oh,
If you want, you can take a private plane.
what's the title of the song?
Y me prendes a que no me estés tocando. You know I got a lot to say. All these voices in the background of my brain. Y me dicen todo lo que estás pensando. Me imagino lo que ya estás maquinando.
Okay. Oh my God. Ay, makabugera. Hala, ang ganda ng boses ni Maloy dun.
Magiging ako na aking ginusto. Ang makabugera, ganda ko irarampa. Di magpapati nagsasasabihin ng iba. Ang makabugera, ganda ko irarampa.
Oh,
Sa
bakit?
lahat na iba. Ang makabugera.
Okay.
Ang makabugera. Now I'm here, suddenly I see, standing here, you're so clear, and where I'm meant to be. And at last I see the light, and it's
The
like
enunciation. Oh my God, gusto ko sana kumanta sila ng Reflection, no?
and at last I see the light, and it's like the sky is new, and it's warm and real and bright, and the world has somehow shifted. All at once, everything looks different now that I see you.
Okay.
You were just the
Oh, I love this song.
child I once knew.
Oh, I love this song.
Never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything.
Oh my God, I love the quality of the voice.
All I need to be here with
Taas. Oh, wow. Oh, yes. Oh. Uy, sorry no offense, pero hindi ko na-expect na maabot to ni Stacy. Ang galing, ay shucks.
and I know it makes no sense.
Akala ko ito lang talaga yung boses ni Stacy, yung ganitong boses.
It's ridiculous. It's been months for some reason I just and I'm stronger than this. I'm fixing up. No more walking around with my head down. I'm so over being blue, crying over you. And I'm so sick of love songs, so tired of tears, so done with wishing she was still here. And I'm so sick of love songs, so sad and slow. So why can't I turn off the
Radio. Okay.
ka na, baby.
Oh.
Na ako sanay na wala ka.
Hirap ang mag-isa. Charis! Go!
At sa gabi hinahanap-hanap kita. Hanggang kailan ako maghihintay na makasama kang muli sa buhay buhay kong puno ng paghihirap, at tanging ikaw lang ang pumapawi sa mga luhat, naglalagay ng ngiti sa mga labi.
Okay.
I used to think that I wasn't fine enough.
Bakit parang wasak si Mika pag kumanta? Grabe yung emotion.
But I won't waste my time trying to figure out why you playing games. What's this all about? And I can't believe you're hurting me. I met your girl, what a difference.
Bakit parang wasak na wasak si Mika dito?
Seeing her, you exceeded me, but I guess it was all just make-believe. Oh, never knew what I was missing, but I knew once we start kissing, I found. But di ba ba't
Oh, I love this song.
pagsuyong magkulang, tayong umaasa, hilag at kaluluwa, ikaw ang handungan, at bilang kalungan mo, ako ang sasagip sa'yo. Habang nakadantay, makayakap sa bawat timbang.
Oh, yes. Oh, Yashina. Sarah G. Ay, tapos na? Oo. My God, Colette. The voice of Colette, though. Ay, grabe. Oh, hindi ako nagkamaling gawa ng reaction video to kahit 15 minutes to, dear. Kahit ang dami kong naka-line up ngayon. Oh! Wow. Full chest voice. Para 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 para. Ay. Para. Okay. Okay. Vocal line. Joanna Malo and Colette. Oh. Si Colette. Yes, si Maloy. Eksena. Eksena si Maloy. Si Maloy yung ayaw patalo. Ayaw pakabog ni Maloy. Okay. Ay, napanood na natin to eh. Napanood natin yan. Alright, there you go guys. It is our for today's video. The Beanie and their amazing raw vocals. I love it. I love it. Nagulat talaga ako nung kanina kay Stacy. Sa totoo lang. This is KJ Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!